Take two. Ka-ching. Hey. I want to give this to you. Why? 'Cause I love you. Oh. I'm a waste of your time. What? Love isn't real. You don't mean that. It's beautiful and comforting, and love is temporary. Just like everything else. What do you mean by everything else? Trust, the weather, loyalty. Why would you say weather when the other topics were so serious? 'Cause it's raining. So, rain is symbolic. Okay. We're inside. The window protects us no matter how hard the rain beats on it. We're in here. And if we went out there, we know it would soak us. I don't get it. Hey, listen. We see the effect people are going to have on us before we let them in. That's why we're inside protecting ourselves from the rain. Isn't that judging a book by its cover? It's different. No, it isn't. You really think I'd hurt you? It's not always about hurting. I just don't see myself happy with you, and that's okay. How will you know if you never try? Some things aren't worth trying.